Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to use the formula tool for a mathematical function with example. So we can perform it with the examples such as subtraction, addition. So these are some mathematical functions we can perform in Alteryx also. So we will see it. So in preparation tab, we will find out this formula tool. But before that, we have to input the data in the input data too. So this we can find out in the input output tab. So drag this input data in the new workflow, that is canvas. Connect it with the file. It will redirect us to the data connection window. Now we have to click on the file, click on select file. Now select a file if you want. So I'll select this particular file named as sample series data Excel. Click on open. Now basically there will be different types of sheets in this Excel file. So it will ask us to choose a sheet. So 50 orders sheet I will select. Click on OK. Now in this configuration pane, the preview for the first 100 records is available. Yeah. Now I'll just click on run. So the records which we want, so it will be displayed in the result also. So I have clicked on run. So I'll wait for the results workflow, which will be displayed over here. Yeah, it is being displayed over here. That is 21 field 50 records is being displayed over here. Yes, 15.8 seconds. So over here it is being displayed 50 records, 21 fields. I'll just go to this preparation tab, drag this formula tool, connect it with the input data tool. Now in configuration pane you will see a window where you can apply the formula. Just go over here, click on the plus sign. Yeah, I have clicked on the plus sign over here. Now if I want to add a column and if I want to apply a mathematical function, say we will apply a subtraction function, so I will write here cost. So I'll use the formula that sales tab minus, go to this particular profit tab. Okay, so sales minus profit. I'll show you this particular sample data Excel. So over here we can find out this particular sales minus profit, and that is reflected by cost. So sales minus profit goes to cost. So that we can see in the new column. So I will just click on run. we have done with our function. So you can find out a new column is added, 22 field. Previously there was 21 field. So cost is reflected over here, 261 minus 41. It will be 2. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.